What's up everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm gonna teach you some things that you need to start working on if you want to be a dance skater, aka a person who roller skates and also dances on their roller skates. Now, when I first started wanting to learn how to dance skate, I was struggling because I didn't really know what to practice besides like 3 moves, the downtown, the zero, and the crazy legs. But there are a bunch of skills that go into learning how to dance skate. So I'm gonna teach you some things that you can practice, some drills for you to work on in order to become a successful dance skater. Straight Skates is a YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, general roller skating lifestyle videos. So if you like roller skating, or if you think you might like roller skating, go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post, and I will see you every Tuesday when I put out new videos. By the way, Shove just got a new balancing thing for the camera, so if it feels a little bit like we're on water, sorry about that, we're working on it. So the first thing that you need to learn how to do, or a skill that you should work on for dance skating, is balance, specifically on one leg and then the other. If you are able to confidently maintain your balance for a significant period of time on one foot and also the other foot, then you're gonna be in a really good spot for a lot of dance moves. You should feel confident just standing here and shifting your weight, like holding on one side and just hanging out there, hanging on the other side, moving that foot that's in the air around. Feel confident there. You should also feel confident while moving on one foot and also the other foot. The second thing that we're gonna do is, now that we've established our ability to just balance on one foot or the other one, we're gonna work on alternating or transferring our balance from foot to foot, because this is gonna be a big part of a lot of dance steps. So you're gonna wanna practice balancing on one and then move that foot over, balance on the other, balance on one, move and balance. You can also jump from side to side. This is also something that I would recommend practicing while you're moving, which is going to feel a lot like just regular striding, but it's a little bit different because you want to be centered over yourself with your knees a little bit bent. So you're not really intending on moving forward. You're intending on just like balancing while moving to the other side and balancing while moving. The next thing that we're going to be working on are different placements of balance on our feet. So in many different dance moves, you're going to be required to either balance or go onto your front wheels for a little bit, or go onto your back wheels for a little bit, or do a combination of the two. So the next 3 are going to be each of those. The first one is balancing on your front wheels. This is also called toe balancing. So what you're going to work on doing is you're going to work on just getting up on your front 4 wheels and moving around, whether it's just standing and balancing there, or whether it's moving forward or moving backwards or moving to the side. Get really, really comfortable just living on your front 4 wheels. So the next thing that we want to learn is we want to learn how to balance on our heels. So I will admit to you that this one is a little bit more difficult. I honestly still struggle with this one. I hate this one. Okay. But when you're doing dance skating, there is a progression of different, more intermediate to advanced moves, and being able to balance on your heels is really gonna open up a whole new world of ability and different moves for you. So you're gonna wanna practice. I would recommend practice starting holding on to something and just getting what it feels like to sit into your heels, and just practice balancing on those back 4 wheels, whether it's balancing in one place, moving them back and forth, or going in one line, forward, backwards, etc. And the last one in this small specified balance section is manuals. So manual is when your back foot has the front 2 wheels down and your front foot has your back 2 wheels down. And so you're balancing in the center of your 2 feet, and you're gonna wanna be able to, 1, stay still in this manual position, but also you're gonna wanna wanna practice doing it all the different ways. So with your right foot in front, with your left foot in front, you're gonna wanna try facing one way, facing another way, and then you wanna try practicing going from one to the next. So you're gonna wanna practice switching your manuals. And switching manuals and being in that manual position is going to help you to transition and also just get your balance for things like heel toe spins and other dance moves that you might want to try in the future. So what we're doing here is we're actually practicing a series of different foot movements that require us to think really hard about what our feet are about to do. So it's moving our feet out and in, moving them out and in one at a time, and then shifting our balance from the heels and to the toes, right and to the left. So really practicing these different foot movement drills and getting them into your head in a way that you're able to easily go from one foot to the next, to shift your weight from the right to the left, or to open and close your feet, depending on where you want to move your feet, is going to be really helpful to you to increase your skills as a dance skater. The next thing that you're going to need to do, or that you're gonna want to do to really enhance your potential as a dance skater, is to do some core strengthening. And nobody likes to hear about core strengthening, especially yours truly. But let me tell you, when you get to the point when you're trying to do like extensions, you're trying to do floor work, you're trying to do eventually partner work, if that's something you're interested in, you're really going to need that core strength. And the only way you can get the core strength is by working on it. So by skating a lot, by going outside of skating and working out in whatever way that you like to work out or build muscle, that's going to be a really important part of getting to another level with your dance skating. All right, number 7 on our list is that you should stretch. So many dance skate moves look so cool when you're just that much more flexible. And so flexibility is a really cool thing that not only allows you access to more moves, but it also allows you to feel more comfortable going in and out of different moves. The more flexible you are, the more warmed up your body is when you're dance skating, the better you're gonna feel easing in and out. So do your stretches. You should probably stretch way more often than I do, which is not enough. And one way to stretch is to do this. Another way to stretch is by going to the Stretches for Skaters video that I have up right there. Right there? Right there. Stretch. The next thing that we're gonna do, the final one, the final tip to becoming the dance skater of your dreams, is to bring and put on your own music. Now, it may seem like skating is something that you just have to drill and practice, and yes, that's true, but with dance skating, there's something so much more magical when you're feeling in the moment and you just want to move because you love the music that you're listening to. When I started actually listening to my favorite music instead of just whatever everyone else had brought or no music at all, it absolutely changed my ability to, one, invent things to put into dancing on my skates, but also just it made me feel more confident. And that's what it's all about. It's about feeling confident, it's about trying new things, and it's about just going for it. So feel confident, get out there, and listen to whatever your bad beezy self loves to listen to. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you love this video, and I hope that you save this video and use it to learn how to just get better at dance skating, or even to begin learning how to dance skate. All of these skills are really helpful. Do them often, do them every time you skate, and you'll be there in absolutely no time. If you want to support me, you can go to cheerstothequeers.com, get things like these super cool sunglasses that I've been wearing. These are called the Bleeding Heart sunglasses, or these earrings, these pink flame earrings that I think I called Ignite the Night. I love naming things. Okay, so if you want to support me, you can go there, or you can become a Patreon. But more importantly than any of that, if you want to share the love of roller skating with someone, send them one of my videos, because I think roller skating is awesome and is meant to be shared with the whole world. And most importantly, cheers to the queers! I got a rebel soul! Woo! careful of the rocks.
As she says.
That was so stupid, but I fell the correct way. That is how you're supposed to fall, by the way, on your side.